go to results, then where, then inside the folder. Now we have to open a Excel worksheet, blank Excel worksheet, and we have to bring the data in the Excel worksheet. So go to open, then from the browse select all files, and then select your requirement DFV file. Now open it. It will come like this. So it is, you have to select the delimited, then next select semicolon and comma, then next finish. So I got the time and the coefficient values. Now I have to open a Origin Pro. So we have the X and Y axis. Now in the X axis it should be time, unit is second, and the Y axis is COF, coefficient of friction. Now this is the sample for one sample, that is WRT. Write down in the comments, write down the name of the sample, WRT10, WRT10. Fine. Now open the Excel, click on this first, click on the first or second space, and then Control Shift down arrow. It will select all the data of that particular column, and now copy. Now Control C, and then paste it by Control V. Same thing have to done with the coefficient of friction. Select the first space, and then Control plus Shift, then down arrow, Control C for copy, and Control V here paste. So if you want to add more data, just only press this icon, it will automatically add. You can see here these axes are YY, so I have to change it to X. So press this, double right click, then set as X. Now copy this thing because it will be the same, but the sample will be different. WRT 40. The same thing here, WRT 40. Now I have to open that particular file for WRT 40. So I have to close this. No. So this is the open Excel. So open it and open the file by browsing. So this is the 40. Open. So now it is not selected. So select the delimited. Then go this semicolon, comma. Then next finish. So I got the time. Then Control Shift down arrow, copy, and then paste it here. And same should be done for the coefficient of friction. This is this. Control Shift down, Control C, Control V. So we got the results of two different Y behavior. Now we have to plot. So select all these by dragging, then go to plot, line plus symbol, line plus symbol. So now what we got a very bold graphs. Drag it here, bold graphs. I have to minimize these things and make it a little bit less clumsy here. So double click on that, go to drop line, skip, select 30. You can select any number between 1 to 100. So apply. Okay, so it looks good. Then again double click on it, then go to symbol, make it open, and the edge thickness slightly increase to 30. Apply. Now go to line, make it the width of the line, change it to 3. Apply. Now it is looking good. So now I have to change the axis values, and this is wrong, so we have to write it coefficient of friction. Select it by Ctrl A, then make it bold and change the size to 28. Now double click on this axis, go to scale, make it 0, increment should be 1, and this is like 0.6, then apply. So we got this. Now go to horizontal, again change it to 0, increment, as this number is 250, so I am changing the increment to 250. So So this is like this. Then just click on it, then go to make it bold and change the size to 26. Time, double click on it, then Control A, bold, and change it to 28. Similarly here you double click on it, then Control A, then change it to 24. So the graph, the coefficient of friction plot for WAC is ready.